Hey everyone, I wanted to put together a quick tutorial for those of you who are having trouble uploading or editing your video. So this video is strictly for Mac users because I'm going to use iMovie. So if you don't have a Mac, you can stop this video right here and then wait for the Windows video tutorial that I'm also going to do. So those of you who have a Mac, you're in the right place. I'm in iMovie, so I'm just going to show you how to get there in case you're not sure. Mine has a purple star in the bottom of my screen, but if you don't see a purple star, you can make your way over to the Finder, which is the blue and white like half face, and you just have to type in the upper corner iMovie, and then it will show right here this purple star. So when you open up iMovie, oh, mine's already open, sorry. When you open up iMovie, it's going to ask you to create a new project. That's what we want. So I'm going to create a new project and I want a new movie. When I click on movie, it shows me this screen and it says you need to import media. So at this point, your video file has to be on your computer already. So for me, I usually use an iPad to record, and then I can upload that video to, it's usually too big to send an email, so I upload it to either my Google Drive. All of us should probably have a Google Drive. If you don't, you can also just kind of plug your iPad into your computer and drag and drop your file, but I just think Google Drive is the easiest. Once it's uploaded there, I go into Safari, open up Google Drive, and I'm able to download it onto my computer. So once you have that done, you're going to click Import Media, and you're going to find your movie. So mine's on my desktop, just called Number Talk. So I'm going to import this. And now you'll see that the video has uploaded, and now it's in this library able to use. So in order to edit it, you have to drag and drop, like it says down here, drag and drop video clips. So I'm going to drag and drop this. Now you can see it's really tiny. It's kind of hard to work with. So over here right above my face is settings, and I see this little bar that I can scroll. I'm just going to kind of expand it, and that makes the timeline a little bit bigger so I could go second by second on my video. Now, we don't really want much editing to your video, but I know some of you want to cut down the length in order to make the time limit, so you want to cut out your think time, which is totally fine. So my video is 10 minutes. You can see right here it's 10. And let's say I wanted to cut out a minute or so for my think time. You want to watch your video and see like exactly what seconds you want to cut out. So I'm just going to kind of scroll through mine, and I'm watching up here in the corner, and I'm pointing to my head. So I figure I'm going to tell my kids to start thinking. So what you're going to do is you're just going to click, and now you've left a line there. It's yellow when you hover over it, or it's white when you're not on it. So what I want to do is I want to come up to the top under this menu, Modify. When I click on Modify, you will see that it says Split Clip or Command B. So I'm going to click on Split Clip, and it kind of just made a little separation between the first clip and this one. So this, I want to cut out everything that comes after this. This is all think time. I'm walking around, I'm showing the fist, so I know they're thinking, one finger, two fingers. Okay, I'm starting to write. So now I know that they have finished thinking. So I'm going to click again, and it left another line, and I want to split clip. So I'm going to Modify, or you can use the shortcut Command B, and I click Split Clip. So now it left a split. What I want to do is get rid of all of this 55 seconds. So this is highlighted. I just clicked on it if it's not highlighted, and I'm going to press delete. So now I deleted it and it's gone. My video is now only 9 minutes and 13 seconds. Now some of you might have more time that you want to cut out, and that's fine. But again, we do want as little editing as possible. So you really shouldn't be cutting out more sections than just that. But if you do, again, you would just click somewhere, Command B, or go up to Modify and click Split Clip. Maybe another couple seconds, click Modify, Split Clip, and then you're able to take out this chunk by pressing delete. So it is gone, and then my video has now shrunk to 8 minutes and 54 seconds. That should be all the editing you need for this one. So now we need to figure out how to get it on titanium. Up here in this upper right hand corner, there is the share button. So if I click the share button, these are some places I can send the file. Now email, it's probably a little bit too large for that. I'm thinking we should either do File or YouTube. So if you click File, you could name it whatever you want, Math Talk 1, and then click Next, and you want to save it to your desktop, press Save, and it starts loading right here in the upper right hand corner. Once it's finished loading, you will have to get a link for it, so I'm going to also show you guys how to upload it to YouTube to get a link. So what I'm going to do again, I'm press Share. If you're already familiar with YouTube, you can click YouTube. I'm already signed in, so if you're not signed in, you'd have to click right here and you're going to have to know your password. You're going to sign in and then you would click Next, agree to the terms of service, and click Publish, which I'm not going to do because I already have a video file loading right there. But you would click Publish and then it would start loading into your YouTube. So if you think from here you're comfortable putting your video file onto YouTube or some other website to get a link, you can stop the video right here. But if you feel like you need help with that, I'm going to continue the video and show you guys how to get the link from YouTube. So those of you who feel like you're good luck. Let us know if you need anything. If you're continuing with me, I'm now going to Safari and I'm going to go onto YouTube. You do need to be signed in, so over here it would say sign in if you're not already on, but for me it does, I'm already logged in. So I'm going to go to this arrow right here, which means upload, and when I click this it will tell me to select the files to upload. So I'm going to click here. Now my edited one is not downloaded yet, so I'm just going to upload my old. You'll see my Math Talk, it isn't loaded all the way yet because there's just a white file right there. So I'm going to do my other one, Number Talk 2. So I'm choosing this, and you'll see right here it says upload pending. So it's just going to keep on uploading. It looks like it takes about 15 minutes. It usually jumps a little bit faster depending on your internet. When it's done, I want to press publish. So I could just press it now, publish this as soon as it's done, and as soon as it's finished, it'll publish it for me. I pressed return to editing because I forgot to show you this. Over here on the left hand side, this is the link that you're going to need. So you can already copy it and paste it into Titanium if you would like, so you can get a head start on getting your video uploaded, and then it will be available to see as soon as it's finished uploading. So you can call it, you can change the name, maybe you want to add your name to it, anything like that. You just click Save Changes. And this link is what you need to upload for Titanium for your assignment. I hope this helps. If anything goes crazy, just send me an email and hopefully I'll help you troubleshoot a little bit. Otherwise, we shall see you in your videos. Thanks. Bye.